Hey there shoppers, it's Amy and we are outside today checking out a brand new smart lock. This is actually a video enabled smart lock and it's from Lockin. It's the Veno Plus. So Veno Plus, it sounds like a really cool name. Why? That is because it actually uses the veins in your palm to open the door. We'll go over that and why that is really cool, as well as the other six different ways to open this lock. We'll talk about its universal compatibility and how easy it is to install and all of that fun stuff. But first, let's talk about the big difference, and that's the video smart lock. There's a little camera down here. I will show you guys footage in the app. It's actually a crystal clear camera, and it enables you to see whatever is going on at your door, which is really convenient. Even if you are just on the other side of the house, you can easily pull up the app, see what's going on, be alerted, if there's a person detected or motion going on outside of your door. You can look and see, hey, was that package dropped off? Even kind of answer the doorbell remotely from anywhere in the world. So I love that that is video enabled. That is a really cool security feature and also convenience feature. And it's definitely updated compared to other smart locks that have similar features, but they don't have the video capability. So next, let's talk about the palm scan. So you've got a palm reader right here. All you have to do is put your palm up to the door and boom, it opens. So that is actually really cool because it is super accurate and super fast. Why palm instead of fingerprint? Well, good luck. If you are good news, if you prefer fingerprint, you also have fingerprint option. There's a little fingerprint scanner right there. But palm, I think sometimes it's just a little bit easier, more convenient. It's faster and it's actually more accurate because your palm veins are more unique to you than even your fingerprint, which is really incredible. So you do have all of those options. Waving the palm, touching the finger, those ones standard, but then also you've got a code right here. So you can put in a traditional code. You can also use traditional keys to unlock. This is a nice little convenient doorbell right here, but it also will open up and you've got a secret keyhole to use with old school keys, just in case. Additionally, you also have the opportunity to use the app, of course. So if you're busy in the kitchen, say, and you want to unlock the front door for your guest, you're able to do that. Maybe you are across town and the housekeeper or the babysitter or someone, even your friend gets home before you do, you can unlock for them from anywhere with the app, which is really fun. And then last but not least, you have the ability to unlock using your smart home systems. Hey Google, unlock the garage door. And one thing that's really great about Lockin is they actually integrate with so many different systems. A lot of other smart locks out there only work with Google or they only work with Alexa. This works with Google, with Alexa, and with many more popular smart home hubs all over the world. So all you have to say is, hey Alexa, for example, unlock my door, and you can unlock that hands-free. Really comes in handy, if you have your hands full or groceries or something like that. So you've got voice, you've got key, you've got code, you've got fingerprint, you've got palm, you've got app, you've got a ton of options. And with all of those options, of course, you can set up, for example, multiple codes. You can set up temporary codes. You can set up, again, same thing with palm and fingerprint as well. This is really fantastic because you no longer have to worry about your kids forgetting a code or losing a key. Their biometrics are already on them and they're able to get in to the house at any time. You don't have to worry about that. You can also be able to look back and see exactly when your door was opened and by whom. So for example, if you run an Airbnb or you have a busy office building and you're wondering, okay, who went into the office at 4 p.m., you can look and see exactly when the door was opened and who opened it. So this just gives you an added layer of security, an added layer of knowing what's going on, and of course that added layer of convenience, being able to set up your whole family or your whole office team all on this device. And again, of course, for those temporary codes, so much more convenient if you've got the dog sitter dropping in to be able to give them a code. much easier than trying to exchange an extra key. Make sure you get that back, keep that secure, or keep an extra key, you know, in the potted plant or under the doormat. Definitely, this is a huge step up in security. Another convenient feature is that this has an incredible battery life. You only have to charge up once every 6 months. Your battery is right back here on the back as well, and you can pop that right out, recharge it with USB-C, so everything is super convenient, and it's something that you only have to worry about once every 7 months. How cool is that? I also want to point out that it is very, very easy to use, and you can use it on almost any door. Definitely check the listing and the links, and of course all that stuff I'm going to leave for you in the link below, but it's a very, very easy to install. In most cases, you don't even have to use any sort of tools other than a screwdriver, and there's no wiring, no electrical has to be involved, so it's something that you can do on your own at home, only about 15 minutes, and it's super, super easy. You can also, because this is weatherproof and waterproof, you can use it on an outdoor lock as well as an indoor lock, so whatever works best for you. You're going to notice that this does hold up over time. It's been outside my garage for quite a while, still looks great. A lot of other smart door locks, maybe they don't hold up as well over time, but this is designed to not only handle the water, but also just kind of handle the elements and still look great. It even has security protection to where you're not going to get those beeps from raindrops like some other smart home locks do. You know, they detect the moisture, they detect the beeps, and you might hear like beep, 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 like as if someone were typing it on the keypad. This can actually tell the difference between your fingers and the rain, so you don't get those errant beeps. Like I said, very universal compatible, whether you want to use it on an outdoor door, indoor door, lots of different door types there. Really easy to install. And very easy to integrate with your smart home system, regardless of which one you use. You're going to get that video detection, and you've got 6 different ways to lock and unlock your door, as well as a comprehensive log of everything that's going on with your door and with your home in that really convenient smart app. Lockin is a crazy good company. They are always making great things, and they're always integrating their products with even more smart features for their consumers, and I think that you guys are going to be really impressed with this one, just like I am. I'm going to go ahead, like I said, and leave all of those links and all that good stuff in the description for you below, and you can go ahead and get to shopping. Adios, amigos.